TeacherBelle and welcome to another tips review and tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please show some love and do subscribe so that you'll be updated with my videos about tech tutorials, app reviews, teaching tips, and reading readiness. So, do you know why math is difficult for kids and even adults? This is what we will discuss today, all about CPA approach to learning. It stands for concrete, pictorial, and abstract. The CPA approach builds on children's existing knowledge by introducing abstract concepts in a familiar and tangible way. The CPA method is widely used in Singapore Maths Mastery Method. This is probably the reason why Singaporeans are really good in math. And because math is abstract, children often find it difficult unless taught with concrete than with pictorials. This is the very reason why teachers use the CPA approach to teach math problems or any other subject. The method involves using actual objects for children to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. They then progress to using pictorial representations of the object and ultimately abstract symbols. So how do they do this? Concrete is the doing stage. It brings abstract concepts to life by allowing children to handle physical objects themselves. Pictorial is the seeing stage. This stage encourages children to make a mental connection between the physical object and abstract levels of understanding by drawing or looking at pictures, circles, diagrams, or models which represent the objects in the problem. Abstract, which is the last step, is the symbolic stage, where children are able to use abstract symbols to model and solve math problems. Many teachers believe that abstract stage should be taught after 2 years of age. And although CPA has 3 distinct stages, a skilled teacher will go back and forth between them to reinforce concepts. And they should also vary the apparatus or the manipulatives that children use in class. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you for watching. Please do hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye!